All right. Next up is semantic HTML, which is basically um, giving labels to things, and we've already done a little bit of it. I guess not really. Um, kind of. So all of these divs and these basically do the same thing. Um, it just makes it easier to understand. Um, it makes it more accessible for mobile devices because um, I actually don't know. Oh, because screen readers and browsers are able to interpret the code better. So basically, like, if there's a browser that recognizes article, I don't know, whatever. This one makes more sense. SEO. It improves the website SEO because, like, the browser will be looking inside of headers or navs for like labels of things and be like, oh, this is this specific page, and so it'll take less processing to recognize what the page is doing. Um, and so search engines are better to identify like what's going on rather than having to look through the entire page. And it's also just easier to understand. This is the header. This is the nav bar. This is the article. This is the figure. This is the footer. So, yep. All right. Header and nav. Pretty simple. Um, we've got, we just want to change, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So, excuse me. Um, basically, we just want to change this from header to header. Nav, nav. And so what this will do is just make it easier to identify like what is going on inside of here. Shut up. God, I hate that thing. Main and footer. Yep, same thing. Main, main, main. Will this do the F2 thing? Yes. So if you press F2 when you've clicked on something, you can rename the whole thing. So notice how that changed. So if I say foot, it now renames opening and closing tag. It is really useful for if you have like a really large thing and you don't know where the div is. So that's useful. So yeah, run, did all that. So semantic, yay, article and section. So you have your full article and then you have a section of your article. So this is a section of our article, and I'm just gonna section. Great. And then H2 and P in an article. Article. Great. Pretty simple. The aside element. I actually don't know what this is for. It's used to mark additional information that it can enhance the element. All right. Interesting. That's cool. All right. Change this to aside. Great. Run. Cool. Figure and fig caption. So figure, where are you? So figure. It's generally a good idea to put your images inside of a figure. I don't know what that's going to be, but it's going to ask me to do that. Create an open and closing tag. And then it's going to have an image with this. It just basically tells the browser, hey, something's some sort of image inside of here. All right, fig caption. Yeah, and so then you can add a caption onto it. Beautiful doggo. Yay. Okay. Audio and attributes. Yeah, it's a similar thing. So an audio node is kind of like a media node, but you put the source inside of there. I don't know why this is inside of Semantic, because this is actually functional. So audio. Great. And then it's going to have me put this source MP3 right here. And it's probably a dog barking. Oh, it's nothing. SRC. Oh. Wow. 10 bucks says it's... Yep, it's a dog barking. All right, next. Video and embed. Okay, an embed and a video are... so an embed is a... oh, frick. What is an embed? An example, display a GIF. Add logical files as well as media content straight from other websites. Okay, yeah, and embeds are usually iframes, or iframes are usually what people refer to as embeds. I don't really see that in browsers very often. All right, add the following URL, attribute with controls. Okay, video. We've already done video. Okay. I don't know why we're doing that. Great. We've already done videos. That just doesn't make any sense. All of this stuff should be inside of the media thing that we did with the bears. I don't know why we're doing it inside of Semantic. So now we've got a GIF of a doggo. That is a gorgeous dog. Okay, that's loud, but that's a beautiful dog. All right. Review. We've got Semantic HTML and then some useless stuff that was not actually Semantic HTML. This is not Semantic HTML. Sorry, but that's not. That's media. So, yeah, Semantic HTML is just a way to separate your, or label your information in a way that the browser will recognize, and that's just generally good practice. All right. Semantic HTML.